Hey there, are you looking to spice up your walls with some beautiful artwork or photos, but aren't sure how to hang them? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through 20 different creative ways to hang pictures on your wall. From basic nails and hooks to intricate wire systems. This video has all the innovative techniques you need to get your wall decor up in style. Stick around because I'll be providing super in-depth explanations and walking you through each method step by step. I'll also share my tips for choosing the right hanging method based on the weight and size of your art. Get ready to transform those boring blank walls into an artistic masterpiece. Method 1. Basic nail and hook. The most straightforward way to hang lighter weight pictures is the classic nail and hook method. Simply hammer a nail most of the way into your wall, leaving just a bit sticking out. Then loop a sturdy wire hook over the nail to create a hanger. Make sure to check the weight limit on your hooks. This works best for smaller, lighter pieces. Method 2. Two-nail picture hangers. For heavier pictures, opt for a two-nail hanger. These provide extra support by distributing the weight between two nails instead of one. Load the wire onto the hanger, level it on your wall, and hammer a nail into each end. Two-nail hangers allow you to display larger, heavier items without worry of the wire slipping off. Method 3. Sawtooth hangers. Sawtooth hangers are metal brackets with a sharp, zigzagged edge that you can hammer directly into the wall. There is no need for nails. Simply tap the sawtooth hanger into your wall with a hammer, hang your picture wire over the hanger's central hook, and watch your artwork dangle perfectly in place. Method 4. Picture rail system. If you want the ultimate customizable solution, install a picture rail system. This involves securely mounting a slender ledge about a third of the way up your wall. You can then use hooks to display artwork anywhere along that rail. This allows you to rearrange pieces without damaging your walls. A picture rail system looks clean and contemporary too. Regarde Monty 2. Method 5. Floating shelves. Use floating shelves in place of traditional nail hangers for a modern, elevated look. Attach sleek floating shelves to your wall studs, then set your artwork or decorative objects on them. Floating shelves come in all different shapes, sizes, and materials to match your decor. They create the illusion that your artwork is hovering midair on the wall. Method 6. Invisible nail and fishing line. For a truly invisible hanging method, you'll need clear fishing line, small nails, and a steady hand. Hammer nails above and below the location where you want your art to hang. Tie fishing line to the nails, then tie your art's wire mount to the center of the fishing line. This gives the illusion that your art is magically floating on the wall with no wires or hooks inside. Method 7. Command strips. Command strip picture hangers make decorating quick and easy without any hammers required. These removable Velcro-like strips adhere securely to your wall. Just peel and stick. Then press your picture's hanging wire directly onto the strip. Command strips can be removed without damaging your walls, making them perfect for tenants and dorm rooms. Method 8. Decorative wall brackets. Why hide your picture hanging hardware when you can make it part of the decor? Ornate wrought iron brackets add flair while providing a sturdy mount for your cherished pictures. Choose a bracket style that complements your art and drill it into the wall at picture height. Hang your art on the bracket for an elegant, finished look. Method 9. Plate hangers. Show off your vintage china by hanging plates on the wall with plate hangers. Flip the plate over and attach two tiny plate hanger brackets evenly along the plate's back ridge. Then simply hang the plate hanger bracket on your wall like you would typical picture. Plate hangers are secure, inexpensive, and highlight your beautiful china in a creative new way. Turn any narrow, empty wall space into an art ledge. Install a wall-mounted shelf about a third of the way up your wall to act as a display ledge. Set smaller art pieces, plants, decor items, or books along the ledge. Just be sure the ledge is properly secured and can support the weight of your items. Wall ledges maximize vertical space. Method 11. Group gallery wall. The more the merrier when it comes to gallery walls. Pick a large area and arrange multiple pieces close together in an aesthetically pleasing layout. Hang them at varying heights and orientations. Mixing sizes, colors, and frame styles makes gallery walls fun and eye-catching. Follow basic principles like using the 60-30-10 rule for optimal results. Method 12. Picture ledges. Method 13. Slim floating shelves. For a contemporary twist, use ultra-thin floating shelves to display artwork leaning against your wall. Mount the shelves and lay your canvases vertically against the shelf edge. This adds depth and showcases the art's texture. Make sure to anchor your shelf well, as the weight will be pulling straight down. Method 14. Hang from cabinet doors. Take advantage of cabinet doors by hanging artwork on the back. Opt for pieces with loops or hooks on the backside. Attach adhesive hooks to your cabinet door, then simply loop the art's built-in hooks over top. Quickly change out the art by swapping pieces on and off the hooks. Method 15. Mantle mount. Show off treasured artwork above your mantle for a unified, polished look. Use mounting putty or removable adhesive strips to affix acrylic display ledges above your mantle. Set smaller pieces on the mantles. For larger pieces, install wood cleats into the wall studs and hang wires on them. Position the wires perfectly spaced above the mantle. Method 16. Stairway gallery. Why hang guard on boring old walls when you have beautiful blank stair rises just waiting to be filled? Curate a stairway gallery by hanging mixed media art pieces along the rise of each step. Follow the edges of the stairs for a clean look. Your stairway becomes an artistic passage when lined with your favorite images. Method 17. Wire picture grid. Build a grid of wires on your wall to hang an eclectic picture collage from. Attach a grid of sturdy picture hanging wire between wall studs. Space the horizontal and vertical wires about 4 inches apart. Use S-hooks to hang pictures from anywhere along the grid. It's a striking way to exhibit multiple pieces in a coordinated layout. Method 18. Picture frame ledges. Picture frames with built-in ledges provide a contemporary alternative to traditional hanging. Mount the frame as you normally would. Then simply set small photos, art prints, or memorabilia on the frame's integrated display ledge. This adds a 3-dimensional element while neatly showcasing your treasured pieces. Method 19. Pegboards. Turn an ordinary pegboard into the backdrop for your picture collage. Paint it a fun color and hang it horizontally on your wall. Then use cup hooks attached to the back of your frame prints to display them creatively across the pegboard's surface. You can reposition pieces easily by sliding the hooks. Method 20. Picture shelving. Instead of framing your art, mount temporary shelves in decorative shapes to hold your pictures. Create unique asymmetrical or geometric shelf designs. Cut shelves from plywood, stain them, then secure them directly to your wall studs. Set your favorite photos on the shelves in creative vignettes. They appear to be floating on the artistic shelves. There you have it. From basic nails to elaborate floating shelves, hopefully this video provided tons of inspiration for decking your walls with beautiful artwork and photography, using any method your heart desires. Don't be afraid to get creative and combine multiple techniques too. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.